Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they are proud of. If you're interested in sending in photos for this video, I do this video the first Sunday of every month. The email address is right here. We had a few less photos this month, but they are great. That's pretty typical in the fall that that it slows down a little bit, but the photos that I did get this past month were great. If I've missed anybody by accident, just resend them. It's never on purpose. Make sure you turn your phone sideways, or make sure you're shooting in wide format, because that's how YouTube shows you off. So I want to thank everybody for showing up to my live events the last couple of weeks in Huntersville, North Carolina, and in Raleigh, and in Lexington, South Carolina at Wingard's this past Friday, just a couple days ago, and yesterday at the Family Tree in Snellville, Georgia. I really appreciated great turnout, considering the first three it was 95 plus degrees, and what can you do? What can you do about that? The Family Tree has an indoor space that we were in yesterday, and had a great crowd for that. But I got great questions everywhere, and I enjoyed meeting everyone. So thank you very much for that. I'm heading from, yes, I'm shooting a video in a hotel parking lot. I'm heading down to Mobile from here. I've got a lot of video content to shoot there. One thing is I have 17 videos I've shot in the last week and a half or two, and I haven't had a whole lot of time to get them edited and up. So at some point, there's going to be at least a video a day, and it might be that I put up a couple videos a day, so I don't want to annoy anyone. If you want to turn off your notifications for the next week or two, there may be more videos than you actually want to watch. But I do have a lot of content, and I'm headed down to the Gulf Coast to shoot even more. And then when I get back up to Raleigh, we'll start on the new house there. So thanks everybody for watching these videos. Next Sunday will be the question and answer video that I've been doing the other Sundays of the month. If you have any gardening questions, you can ask them down below at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much for watching.